Hi, this is Tinu Thomas. Today I have become CJ to expose the corruption happening in RTO office Pune here.
Even before you can enter the main gates of the regional transport office, you can easily spot the number of agents. Chances are that you will be approached by more than one even before you can make your way towards the RTO office. They promise that they can get your work done in 2 days, something that would probably take weeks if one goes the direct way. The nexus between these agents and the officers in the RTO is quite obvious. I tried to get an agent to give us some insight into the so-called setting.
इसका official charge कितना है?
1500 रुपये में 6,000 में मिलेगा।
नहीं वो ठीक है, लेकिन इसमें official charge कितना होता है? पावती का charge कितना होता है?
साहब लेते हैं वो पैसे 500 रुपये।
साहब 500 रुपये लेते हैं।
1200 में सब टोटल।
1200 रुपये टोटल। बोले ऊपर साहब आपके
सब। गाड़ी चलाने आती है ना?
हाँ।
उसके देने की जरूरत नहीं ना, फिर ट्रेनिंग के पैसे देने की जरूरत नहीं है।
The RTO is one of the largest revenue generators for the state government, with increasing number of vehicle registrations taking place in the city. In 2011, lakhs of rupees had been spent in installing CCTV cameras in the RTO premises in a bid to stop touts. But the objective has obviously not been fulfilled. These cameras are now in a state of neglect, as we can see the RTO is operating without check.
Looking at the corruption happening here in RTO office Pune, I decided to join hands with CNN IBN, and I had put up some tough questions to the RTO officer and the deputy RTO officer over here. But the first complaint was given on the 7th of March. The second complaint was given on the 14th of March. But till date, there is no action been taken. You know that, sir.
I then decided to join hands with the CJ team and approach Mr. Arun Yola, the regional transport officer. With my camera rolling, I asked him the tough questions. What Mr. Arun Yola acknowledged is that the touts are operating within the campus, but shows his helplessness in being able to deal with the problem.
Over here, you are seated here. If you look to your right-hand side, you can see agents standing right in front of the gate. If you can, I'm not able to keep it close up here, because you can see that if you have a look over there, you can see agents standing there.
We have already launched a complaint to Police Commissioner to take action against this unauthorized person.
I decided not to give up, and I decided to ask the concerned authorities in Bund Garden Police Station and check with them if they have received any such complaint, and if they have, why they have not taken any action till now.
कोई भी कंप्लेंट आरटीओ ऑफिस से एजेंट के बारे में हमारे पास अभी तक आई नहीं है, तो कोई एक्शन का कोई मतलब ही नहीं होता.
I then wrote letters to the Chief Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister, the Chief Secretary, the Principal Secretary of Transport, the Transport Commissioner, the Divisional Commissioner and the Collector as well, to bring this matter to their notice. But I'm still to get a reply from them.
The agents and officers over here seem to fill up their pocket with the hard-earned money which we have earned. I hope my CJ report is viewed by the decision makers and stern action is taken against the agents as well as the RTO officers present here. The citizen journalist Tinu Thomas, CNN IBN.